Students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss what do you mean by factor of production. Okay, day 9 already I made this video, and day 9 I already have told you regarding land, labor and capital, and already I have discussed land and labor, and today I am going to discuss capital. Okay, what is capital? Try to understand capital. Okay, I am going to discuss it. Please see it in day. I think you can see it very easily. Day 10. Okay, what is capital? Land, labor and capital, these are the factor of production, and already I have discussed regarding the things of land and labor. Today I am going to discuss regarding the capital. Okay, this is factor of production. Land, labor and capital are factor of production. I am going to discuss land, capital. Okay, तिजोरी का पैसा, this is called wealth. Wealth means how it is wealth, because if you will keep this money in your locker, in your almirah, then it will be not increased after 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, because you have kept it in your almirah. Okay, अलमीरा में इसको रखे हैं तो ये इंक्रीज़ नहीं होगा आपका. बैंक में डालेंगे तो आपका ये रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपको मिलेगा, तो ये आपका इंक्रीज़ होगा. ओके, इन्वेस्टमेंट, दिस इज कैपिटल. ओके, दिस इज कैपिटल. व्हाई दिस इज कैपिटल? बिकॉज यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड इट इनटू कैपिटल. ओके, and you are earning some money. Clear? Now I am going to discuss how many types of capital. Try to understand it. Types of capital. Types of capital. Try to understand. First, I am going to tell you fixed capital. Fixed capital. Fixed capital means what? Fixed assets. Fixed assets. Fixed assets, tools, machines, etc. These are tools, machine, etc. This is fixed capital. Okay. And second, circulating capital. Which capital? Circulating capital. What is circulating capital? Try to understand it. Circulating capital means what? You have invested this capital into the business, that is called circulating capital. It means what? Non-durable capital. Non-durable capital, that is called circulating capital. Clear? It means what? Suppose for factory purpose you have invested, you have purchased raw material. Then it is called circulating capital. Understand? I think you circulating capital, non-durable capital. For factory purpose you have purchased raw material. This is called circulating capital. Now I am going to discuss. These are the types of capital. Okay. So land, labor and capital are the factor of production, and there are many capitals. I will not discuss in detail because you are in class 11, and when you will go in higher classes, then you will understand more things regarding this chapter. Just I am going to tell you just name the first fixed capital, second circulating capital, social capital, individual capital, human capital, fixed capital, tangible capital and real capital. Okay, I will discuss it detail in senior classes. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Okay, thanks for watching this video.